Look who actually lost.
If you're safe, you get a happy thought.
If you got the most votes, good luck ever thinking happily again.
Ice Cube is the first one happy. Oh, she's so happy. Teardrop is the next one safe. Enjoy. Saw, you got yourself a happy thought as well. Talking safe too. You like this one?
Wait, that's not really happy for. I don't even know how to feel about that yet.
Well, maybe you should get over it. Gatey is safe as well. 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 Buck also gets to think positive today. I like this show. Lollipop, Dora, one of you will be going away feeling empty inside. Oh, I sure hope you're safe, Lollipop.
And the last one safe is...
Lollipop, here's something to think about.